Hello, I'm David and you're watching Cruise Show UK. Welcome aboard the brand new Queen Anne. In this video, I'll reveal the secret to enjoying a Norwegian cruise without breaking the bank on pricey shore excursions. Curious how you can explore stunning fjords and charming towns on a budget? Stay tuned to find out. I'm taking this cruise with my sister Jane. Our first cruise together was on board the Golden Princess back in 2003. That cruise was to celebrate a successful kidney transplant. I donated one of my healthy kidneys to Jane as she was suffering renal failure, needing dialysis. 20 years later, the kidney is doing well, so it's time for another cruise celebration on board the brand new Queen Anne. Today, this is our first port of call and we are in beautiful Bergen, and Jane and I have climbed, well, we're about halfway now, up Mount Fløyen. It's really easy to do. You do have to be fairly fit. It's about half an hour walk from the ship to the start point, and then I guess we've been walking for 30 minutes so far. But you can take it in your stride, and it's really, really nice, absolutely gorgeous scenery, and it's a lovely walk up through the forest. I highly recommend you do it. I will put a map on the screen showing our route. Very easy to do, and it's free. Okay, so we've made it to the top of Mount Fløyen, and it was really, really good. Quite strenuous, I guess. In places anyway, but we made it and it was well worth doing. What did you think, Jane?
Yeah, I'm glad that I did it. I just went at my own pace and I used my sticks, but when you get to the top, you can't not come here and not do it. It's lovely.
I agree, yeah. But we are not going to walk down, we're going to take the funicular down, and I will let you know how much it costs. Okay, so we're still at the top of Mount Fløyen, but we've bought our tickets for the funicular to take us back down, and it was just under £7 each one way, which I guess is quite expensive, but it is what it is. It saves us walking back down, and we're just waiting for, well, I'm going to show you what the funicular is like. In the video it might not look steep, but it really is, trust me. And yeah, that's it. I'll catch the next one. Okay, so here we go. This is the first time we've been on this, isn't it, Jane? Got a good position right at the front of the tram. We waited a little bit longer for the best spot as I wanted to film it for you. Okay, so it's a lovely ride down. The scenery is stunning. And it's a lovely smooth ride down as well. You can see the ship there looking glorious. And after this we're heading back to the ship, and we've booked into Sir Samuel's tonight for dinner. Sir Samuel's is the steakhouse on board. If you're interested in seeing that video, I'll link it below. Tomorrow we're in Flam, so stay tuned. Good morning and welcome to beautiful Flam. We've got a really exciting, action-packed day today, haven't we, Jane?
We have.
Tell them what we are doing.
Well, we're going by the train at the mountain, and then when we get to the top, we're doing the zip wire. Will I do it? Yes, I will.
Will I do it? Yeah,
yes.
We'll see.
And then we come down by the zip wire, and then we're on our bikes.
Yeah, the mountain bikes. So yeah, we take the train up the mountain, and then we come back down on the zip line, well, halfway down, and then collect our mountain bikes and cycle the rest of the way down. So it should be really exciting, and we're both really looking forward to it. Haven't been to Flam before, and actually this is Jane's first time in Norway. So what's your
That's fantastic.
thoughts?
The scenery, the pictures don't do it justice, really. If you ever get a chance to come, you're in for a treat. It's absolutely beautiful, stunning scenery.
Yeah, it is.
I love it.
It really is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the Queen Anne is joined today in the port by the beautiful little Silver Dawn, Silver Sea, just over the back there. Looks very nice.
Mm.
Now, I booked these tours, the train, the zip line and the bikes independently. You can book it through Cunard, but it is more expensive. So I used Norway's Best. I'll put the details on the screen and the prices, but it was a lot cheaper. And I generally just like to do my own thing and book things independently. And it just works out cheaper. So Norway's Best is what I used. But I also use Viator quite often as well. But I'll put the details of the bookings on the screen for you. We're on the train on our way to up the mountain, and then we are going on the zip line. Cheers, Jane. There's no water in these bottles, I can assure you. Cheers.
Cheers.
So Jane and I are just about to do the zip line, and we are both very nervous, despite quite a lot of brandy and sherry on the train up here. But I could have done with another double just to get me over the edge, quite literally.
Yeah.
We're both quite nervous about it. But there's lots of people doing it. I know we can do it.
Can we though? Can I do it?
Yes, you can do it.
I'm so scared. Nervous. Not scared. I want to do it. Yeah. I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
Let's see if I do it.
We're just here watching the zip line. We're in a queue, waiting for our turn, trying not to talk ourselves out of doing it. But we end up right down there at the bottom. Where is she? Oh, honestly, another sneaky sherry.
I needs it.
She had a bit more than me. Okay, we're one step closer, starting to get real. So, yeah,
nervous.
Still very nervous.
Am I going to do it?
You'll do it.
I don't know.
You'll do it. The sherry will kick in a minute.
Yeah, I've just had another gulp.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Well, it was absolutely fantastic. I managed to do it. But you will notice I'm here alone. I'll swing for that girl. She's tricked me. She did this on purpose. She's tricked me on that. Jane couldn't do it. Oh, what a day we've had here in Flam. It's been absolutely beautiful. We've been up since 6 a.m. and then we waited for our train. We took the Flåm Railway up the mountain, and it is, wow, one of the best railway journeys that I've ever taken. Absolutely beautiful scenery. There were stops as well. I made a couple of stops where we could jump off, take photos, get back on, and on we went. And we were on the train for about an hour and got to the top, and then we made our way to the zip line.
I was fine until I got strapped in. Everything was fine. I kept telling myself I was going to do it, and I was going to do it. I was determined.
Not determined enough.
Well, they put all the stuff on me, the outfit, and then she said, sit down. I sat down, and I could hear her clipping me on, and that was it. I thought, I can't get out of this now. No, I said, I can't do it. And then this man came over, and they were really good. They said, you can think about it. You know, we'll wait. I was going, no, my mind's my... And then I seen Dave. He said, swung round. Oh, swing for you, he said. I said, I'll see you at the bottom. And I quickly got out the thing, which meant I had to do the walk of shame all the way down the mountain. Probably about 3 miles,
Good.
at least.
Good.
Gets to the bottom. There he is. Sour. Waiting with his bike, because the next adventure was straight on the mountain bike. I just walked 3 miles. He could hardly look at me, so I had to do the walk of shame. Then we went on the mountain bikes.
Honestly, she really let me down. But anyway, I could see she was a bit panic-stricken. But anyway, I shan't mention it again, ever again, how you let me down. But anyway,
oh, here we
no,
go.
that's not for now. Let's move on. So the next part was mountain biking, and where you drop, if you do the zip line, where they drop you off, you collect your bikes from there. And it is, I think she said it was 17 kilometers, but a brilliant day, full of glorious scenery. You just can't match it.
For me, the bikes were the best thing of the day. I really loved it.
I'm sure.
Very good.
Yeah.
A lot of it was downhill. There was a couple of times that I had to get off and push the bike up, but then it was fine. Just if you're going to do the bikes, be aware, stay to the right, and cars pass as well. And people don't go out of your way. So you have to go
Neither
around.
do the goats.
Oh yeah, and we came across goats all over the road. But I thoroughly enjoyed that today.
Yeah,
Except,
beautiful.
you know, the walk of shame.
Yeah.
But I would do
That's
it again.
not for now, Jane.
No.
No.
No. Well, we're never going to talk about that again.
No, ever. I won't ever mention it again.
No.
It's been a great day and a great evening. But tomorrow's another day, and it's another action-packed one. We are in Olden tomorrow, beautiful Olden. So it's another early start to watch the ship sailing. Welcome to Olden, beautiful Olden. It's the first time Queen Anne has been here, and we are excited for another jam-packed day. We're going to take the local bus, which is just off the quay. I'll put it on screen for you. And we're taking the local bus to the Briksdal Glacier. It's about a 40-minute bus trip, but it's a beautiful ride, and then a lovely hike up to the glacier. You looking forward to it, Jane?
I am. I really enjoyed that one that we did the other day. And yeah, and the weather here. You know,
Very lucky.
I don't know if you can really tell. The sun's not out at the moment, but it's going to be really hot today, the captain said. So.
Yeah. It's already a pleasant temperature,
Yeah.
but it does say that it's going to get very hot. Maybe up to 30 degrees later on today, which is, I think, quite unheard of in Norway. We're very lucky.
Yeah, we had some stunning scenery last night with the sun out.
Oh,
beautiful.
it was beautiful, wasn't it? All night long.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll update you when we are on the bus. All right, Jane, we've arrived at the start of our trek, and what do you think so far?
The bus trip was fantastic. It was about £3.25 in English money, and so well worth that bus trip. It was so scenic all the way. You know, I couldn't believe it. It was like you just couldn't believe that you're here. Really, the stunning scenery. I really enjoyed it.
Here we are, and you can see up there, that's the glacier at the very top, the Briksdal Glacier. And that's where we're walking to. Well, we've been walking for about 20 or 30 seconds. We've stopped for a break.
Already. I've deployed the sticks.
They really help though, don't they?
It does. It makes me feel safer to get up.
Okay.
So,
Well done.
yeah.
What do you think so far?
Oh, it's fantastic. I can't stress enough about the scenery. They've really, really looked after the countryside here, and there is no litter anywhere.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's stunning.
Yeah. I'm hearing lots of oohs and ahs from Jane all the way up so far. But she's not backing out. She's not backing out this time. But I won't mention the zip line. No, I won't. I won't, Jane. I won't mention it.
I so.
Don't keep on about it. There it is.
Oh, Dave, look! Isn't it lovely?
The Briksdal Glacier. We've still got 4 or 5 kilometres to go before we're at the bottom, but let's keep going. All right, Jane?
Yeah. Isn't it good, Dave?
It's really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful walk. We're having a lovely time. Isn't it gorgeous, Jane?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. Amazing is the word, Dave. Really is.
So here we go, we've made it to the top, and that's the Briksdal Glacier just there, or the end of it, and we're in front of the lake that it drains into, and it's spectacular. But you made it, Jane.
Yay!
Well done. What did you think?
Fantastic. I mean, you can't come here and not do this.
Yeah.
wear the appropriate footwear. I've invested in some proper walking shoes and they've been brilliant. So I've had no trouble with my feet and it's just spectacular.
Yeah. Your walking sticks have helped you as well, haven't they?
Yes. Daddy's walking sticks. So they came in handy.
Yeah.
But
bless.
it's been fantastic. I mean, everywhere you look, you just got to pinch yourself. You can't believe that you're here.
Yeah.
And all this is real. You're not on a film set or anything. It's
beautiful.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Really is.
Well done. Well done for making it this way, Jane. Oh, deserve a medal.
I'm chancing it here. The water's just beside me. It's the wonder you don't push me in after yesterday with that zip wire.
Well, it did cross my mind, but we won't mention the zip wire.
No.
No, Jane. I just said to Jane, and it's worth pointing out, it's not just the scenery up here. The air is so crystal clear, and the noise as well from the waterfalls all around. It's just all together. It's just beautiful, sensory overload. Stunning.